Hello, everyone, and welcome to Simple English Talks.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Mark,
And I'm Hope.
and today we are talking about something very simple but very useful.
We are talking about how to talk about your weekend in English.
Yes, how to say what you did, how to ask your friends, and how to have a real, natural conversation.
And before we start, if you are enjoying Simple English Talks, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode.
We make new videos every week, just for you.
Okay, let's start.
Mark, let me ask you something first. When someone says to you, "How was your weekend?" what do you feel?
Honestly, I feel happy. I love that question.
I love it too. But for many learners, that question feels a little scary.
Yes, because they think, I need to say something perfect.
But you don't. You really don't.
A weekend conversation is very simple. You just need a few good phrases, and you are ready.
Exactly. So let's learn those phrases together.
First, let's talk about the question itself. How was your weekend?
This is the most common question. You will hear this every Monday.
At school, at work, with friends, everywhere.
And the easiest answer is very short. You can say, "It was good, thanks."
Or, it was great, thank you.
Or even, "It was nice. I relaxed at home."
Short answers are totally fine. People don't always need a long story.
Right. Nobody wants to hear a 2-hour story about your Saturday.
Well, maybe a very good story, but not every time.
Okay, so first we have the question. How was your weekend?
And now we have a few short answers.
It was good. It was great. It was nice.
Let's also add one more. It was okay.
Oh, yes. Okay is very useful. It means not bad, not great, just normal.
Sometimes the weekend is just okay. And that's fine.
Life is not always exciting, and that's okay too.
Now, let's go a little deeper. After your short answer, you can add one detail.
Just one. One small detail is enough.
For example, it was great. I went to the park with my family.
Or, it was nice. I watched a movie at home.
Or, it was good. I cooked a new recipe on Saturday.
See? Short answer plus one small detail. That's it.
It sounds very natural, and your partner in the conversation feels happy because you shared something.
Now, let's practice some common weekend activities in English.
Great idea. Let's go.
First one, I stayed home.
Very common. Sometimes the best weekend is a quiet one at home.
Next, I went shopping.
Also very common. I think everyone goes shopping sometimes.
I went shopping last weekend, actually.
Oh, really? What did you buy?
A new plant for my kitchen.
A plant.
Yes, I love plants. I have maybe 12 now.
12 plants. Hope has a small jungle at home, everyone.
It's a cozy jungle. Okay, back to our phrases.
Right. More weekend activities.
I visited my family.
Yes, spending time with family is a very popular weekend activity.
I went to a restaurant.
Oh, yes, eating out is always nice.
Mark, do you go to restaurants often on weekends?
I do, yes. I love trying new food. There's a small Italian place near my home, and I go there almost every Saturday.
That sounds lovely.
It is. The pasta is amazing.
No, I want pasta.
Me too. Maybe after we finish recording.
Okay, More activities. I went for a walk.
Simple and beautiful. Walking is a great way to enjoy the weekend.
I exercised. Or I went to the gym.
I played football. Or I played with my kids.
I read a book.
This one is nice. Reading is very relaxing.
And it's great for your English, too.
Absolutely. If you want to improve your English, read simple books or listen to podcasts like this one.
Like this one, yes.
Okay, now we have the question, the short answer, and some activities. Let's put it all together.
Let's do a little practice conversation. I'll start.
Ready?
Hey, Mark. How was your weekend?
It was really good, thanks. I went hiking on Saturday.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
There's a trail near my city. The weather was perfect.
That sounds amazing. I stayed home this weekend. I was a little tired.
That's okay. Sometimes you just need to rest.
Exactly. Oh, and I made a big pot of soup on Sunday.
That sounds delicious.
Perfect. See how natural that was?
Very natural. And notice, we asked each other questions too.
Yes, that's very important. Don't just answer. Also ask.
When someone tells you something about their weekend, show interest. Ask a small follow-up question.
For example, oh, nice. Where did you go? Or, what did you watch?
Or, did you enjoy it?
These small questions make the conversation feel alive.
They also show the other person that you are listening.
And people love to feel heard.
Now, let's talk about some useful words for the weekend.
Yes, vocabulary time.
The first word is relax.
Relax. To rest and feel calm. For example, I relaxed at home all day.
The next word is busy.
Busy. It means you had a lot to do. My weekend was very busy.
Sometimes the weekend is more tiring than the week.
Oh, yes, especially if you have children.
Or 12 plants to water.
Stop it. Okay, next word. Fun.
Fun. Something enjoyable and happy. We had so much fun.
Another useful word. Quiet.
Quiet. Calm and peaceful. It was a quiet weekend. I stayed home.
I love a quiet weekend sometimes.
Me too. Just some music, good food, no plans.
That sounds perfect.
And one more word, spend time.
Spend time means to use your time doing something. I spent time with my family.
Or, I spent the weekend reading.
This phrase is very natural in English. Use it often.
Now, let's talk about the past tense, because when we talk about the weekend, we use the past.
Yes, the weekend already happened, so we talk about it in the past.
For regular verbs, you add -ed at the end.
I watch becomes I watched.
I walk becomes I walked.
I cook becomes I cooked.
Easy, right? Just add -ed.
But there are some irregular verbs. These change completely.
I go becomes I went.
I eat becomes I ate.
I see becomes I saw.
Don't worry if you don't know all the irregular verbs yet.
You will learn them slowly, over time. The most important thing is to practice speaking.
And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Keep going.
Nobody stops a conversation to correct your grammar.
Well, most people don't.
Right. Most people just want to talk with you.
And communication is the goal, not perfect grammar.
Okay, let's do another practice conversation. This time a little longer.
Let's go. I'll start again.
Okay.
Hi, Mark. How was your weekend?
It was great. Pretty busy, though. We had a family lunch on Saturday.
Oh, that sounds nice. How many people were there?
About 15 people. My aunt cooks a lot, so there was so much food.
That sounds amazing. I love family meals.
It was really fun. What about you? Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was quiet. I didn't go anywhere. I just stayed home and watched some shows.
Oh, nice. What did you watch?
A cooking show. Now I really want to try making Japanese food.
Did you try it?
Not yet. Maybe next weekend.
Beautiful. See how the conversation moved?
Yes, we answered. We asked. We showed interest. We laughed a little.
That's a real conversation. That's what talking about your weekend looks like.
And notice, neither of us said anything very complicated.
Simple sentences, common words, natural pauses.
That's all you need.
Now, let's talk about some useful phrases for asking about someone else's weekend.
Yes, sometimes you want to start the conversation.
You can say, "How was your weekend?"
Or, did you have a good weekend?
Or, "What did you do this weekend?"
That last one is very direct, but it's friendly.
You can also say, "Did you do anything fun this weekend?"
Oh, I like that one. It's warm and casual.
Yes, it feels like you really care.
And if someone tells you something, respond with interest.
You can say, "Oh, that sounds fun."
Or, that's nice.
Or, "I love doing that too."
Small reactions like these make the conversation feel very natural.
They also encourage the other person to keep talking.
Now, let's talk about something a little different. What if your weekend was not great?
Yes. Not every weekend is perfect.
Sometimes things go wrong. Sometimes you're tired or sick. What do you say then?
You can be honest. You can say, "Honestly, it was a little rough."
Or, it was okay. I wasn't feeling well.
Or, "Not great. I was really tired all weekend."
You don't need to pretend everything was wonderful.
Real conversations include real feelings.
And if someone says their weekend was hard, be kind.
You can say, "Oh, I'm sorry to hear that."
Or, I hope this week is better.
Simple and kind. That's always the right answer.
Okay, Mark, I have a question for you.
Yes?
What is your perfect weekend?
My perfect weekend. I wake up late. I have a slow breakfast with good coffee.
That already sounds amazing.
Then I go for a long walk. Maybe visit a market or a bookshop. Then, lunch with friends.
And the afternoon?
Quiet time at home. Some music, maybe a little reading.
That sounds like the best day.
What about you? Your perfect weekend?
Oh, easy. Saturday morning, I sleep in. Then I water my plants.
Of course.
Then I cook something new, something I never made before.
Like Japanese food?
Exactly like Japanese food. And in the evening, I call my mom.
That sounds really lovely.
It is. I love simple weekends.
Simple weekends are often the best ones.
And everyone's perfect weekend is different. That's the beauty of it.
And that's also why talking about your weekend is such a great conversation topic.
Because everyone has a story, even a small one.
Even if you just stayed home and watched TV.
That's a story too.
I had a quiet weekend. I watched a great movie. Done. That's a full answer.
Let's do one last practice. This time, you can practice along at home.
Yes. Pause the video if you need to. Repeat after us. Practice out loud.
Speaking out loud is the best way to learn.
Okay, listen to the question.
How was your weekend?
Now you answer. In English. Say one short sentence. Maybe two.
You can say what you actually did, or invent something fun.
Yes, you can lie a little for practice. Nobody will know.
Only for practice, of course.
Did you say your answer? Good.
Now add one more sentence. One small detail.
Great. Now ask the question back. How about you? How was your weekend?
And imagine the other person answers. How do you respond?
Maybe say, "Oh, that sounds fun." Or, "I'd love to do that."
You just had a real English conversation, all by yourself.
We are so proud of you.
Seriously, Every time you practice, you get better.
Even 5 minutes of practice each day makes a big difference.
So keep going. Don't stop.
And remember the key things from today.
Answer with a short sentence. Add one small detail.
Ask the other person a question.
Show interest. React warmly.
Use simple past tense because the weekend already happened.
And be honest. Real conversations are the best conversations.
You don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to try. And you are already trying because you are here.
That means everything.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Simple English Talks.
We really love making these videos for you.
And we hope your next weekend is a great one.
Or at least, okay.
Yes, okay is also good.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and write in the comments what topic you want in the next episode.
We read all your comments and we love hearing from you.
Until next time,
Take care, keep practicing.
and have a wonderful weekend.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.